Power of Attorney Part 3. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. I'm doing a series on advanced directives, and today is Part 3 of the Power of Attorney. I hope to conclude the Power of Attorney today. Before I get to that, if you'd like to schedule an appointment with me or speak with me by phone, go to the website www.callfrankbruno.com. Power of Attorney. I'm speaking about a durable power of attorney. I mentioned principal, I mentioned agent, right? I'm dealing with New York law. Well, back in 2009 and 2010, the law affecting powers of attorney was changed. So if you have a power of attorney prior to that date, it can still be valid. Right? It just will be missing the language that was inserted circa 2010. Now, with respect to an older power of attorney, there does not have to be an expiration date in the document, but I have seen that financial institutions have treated older powers of attorney as stale, S-T-A-L-E. Now, that's not a legal term, or maybe it's a legal term, but it's their version of whether or not, their understanding of whether or not the document is a present state of mind for the principal. And sometimes I've had to become involved in speaking with bank representatives or attorneys for the bank or financial institutions in explaining the validity of the document. So you might want to keep your powers of attorney, whether they be durable or general, but keep them updated. I'd say every 2 or 3 years you should update the power of attorney, provided that there's capacity. So the power of attorney is a comprehensive document. The general run-of-the-mill internet power of attorney is probably good for most of your issues, but it will probably not be good for issues related to protecting the assets of a person with respect to Medicaid planning or asset protection, or if you have to apply for programs, government aid programs to get either care at home or care in a nursing home. I think that's all I wanted to say today. If you would like to speak to me about your specific situation, please give me a call. I can be reached at callfrankbruno.com. Thank you.